Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by launching OneDrive from the taskbar. If it's hidden, open the Start menu and search OneDrive. Sign in with your Microsoft or work account so your files link to the cloud. Once signed in, choose where OneDrive stores files on your PC and select the main folders to sync. This reduces initial upload time. Make sure to enable Files on Demand so you save local disk space while keeping placeholders for all your content. Next, you'll refine what actually syncs to your device. Go to OneDrive settings, open Account and select Choose Folders to pick specific folders. This prevents unnecessary downloads. Also enable Files on Demand so files remain online only until you open them, saving storage. Make sure camera upload is set if you want automatic phone backup, and turn on Office integration to collaborate in real time. Once done, OneDrive will start syncing only the content you need, and keep versions for recovery. Finally, learn to share and recover files efficiently. Right-click any synced file to share a link or change permissions. This is faster than attaching large files. If something goes wrong, use version history or the OneDrive recycle bin to restore previous versions. For stubborn sync issues, sign out and unlink the PC from OneDrive, restart, then relink and reconfigure folders. This often clears corruption. If problems persist, check Windows updates and your network, because intermittent connectivity is the usual culprit.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.